In this hectic time, people lead increasingly stressful lives. It is common for people to be depressed. Depression is a serious mental illness that affects day-to-day life and destroys families. This video talks about the common symptoms of depression and treatment. Some of the keywords include depression, stress, treatment, meditation, obesity, healthcare, mental illness, exercise, yoga, weight loss, mental health, healthiest mind and body, etc. If you are new to Healthiest Mind and Body channel, welcome to our channel, and please subscribe for more interesting videos like this. Every year approximately 9.5% of the American population suffers from depression. Depression is a grave illness that affects day-to-day life and destroys families. It is a disorder that controls the mind and its functions, causing loss of appetite, sleeplessness, mood swings, and a deep sense of despair. The symptoms of depression are varied and the severity changes with time. And, according to experts, depression can be an inherited disorder, or caused by life-threatening illnesses, or stress. Other causes are certain diseases, medicines, drugs, alcohol, or mental illnesses. Women are seen to experience depression more than men, and this is attributed to hormonal swings, menstrual cycle changes, pregnancy, miscarriage, pre-menopause, and post-menopause. Common symptoms are 1. An unshakable sadness, anxiety, or emptiness. 2. Overwhelming hopelessness accompanied by pessimistic feelings. 3. Extreme guilt, feelings of helplessness, and no sense of self-worth. 4. Loss of energy, a slowing down of metabolism and activity levels. Being plagued by constant fatigue. 5. A sense of helplessness along with an increasing inability to focus and indecisiveness. 6. Loss of sound sleep and development of extreme insomnia. 7. Inexplicable weight loss or weight gain, triggered by loss of appetite or eating binges. 8. Brooding and suicidal inclinations. 9. Irritability, short temper, as well as restlessness. 10. Physical afflictions like headaches, digestive disorders, and chronic pain for no particular reason. If you experience any of the above along with a marked change in behavior, do consult your doctor. He will give you a thorough examination to rule out physical causes for depression as well as any underlying medical problems. Then, if required, he will recommend that you consult a psychiatrist or psychologist. Take matters in hand and try and erase negativity from your mind. Cut out from your life terms like exhaustion, worthlessness, and hopelessness. Change your life by setting yourself a few goals. Try and relax, meditate, and enjoy music. Start new activities that absorb your time as well as interests. Go out and meet people and participate in group activities. Avoid the company of negative people. Make up your mind to enjoy a movie, ball game, family outing, picnic, or trek. Be positive, self-confident, and have faith in yourself. Faith is itself a great healer. Decide to change your world for the better. However, do follow the doctor's advice. Treatment can include antidepressant medicines, psychotherapy, as well as lifestyle changes. In extreme cases, electroconvulsive therapy or light therapy is prescribed. If your depression escalates or you are suicidal, seek help from your family physician or healthcare provider. Do call a local health department, a community mental health center, or a hospital or clinic. Someone will extend a helping hand and talk you through the crisis. Thank you for watching, and if you liked the video, give it thumbs up and please subscribe to our channel for new videos every week on health and well-being tips. We love you to connect with us on social media. Facebook, Healthiest Mind for Real.